Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Happy September 1st. Now if you've been following me for a while, you know that on the 1st of every month I release a brand new online stamping class. So that's what today's video is about. I've got the cards to share with you, well 6 of them that are going to be part of the class. And I just want to tell you a little bit about how my classes work. Now, I'm not going to be stamping today, but I promise I'll be back stamping with the same stamp set because we are using the adorable Dino Days. Now, this might not be a stamp set that interests you, but wait till you see the cards, number 1. And number 2, I want to tell you that my class this month is all about fun folds. Easy fun folds. You know me, everything is quick and easy. So the class is going to consist of 6 cards that are all easy fun folds using the Dino Days, suite of products. So the stamps, the dies, and the designer series paper. But if you don't like this, but you might like the class anyways because of the fun folds, and I make it super simple for you. You know me, it's all about super simple. Now, you can get the class for free when you place a $50 order between September 1st and the 10th. Now, down in the description of the video will be a link that'll take you over to the website that will have the button to order. Make sure you use the online class host code with your order, and then you'll get the class for free. Now, it's not just 6 tutorials, it's actually 12. The class is, I like to call the class 6 projects, so we got 6 fun folds and then 6 bonus tutorials. So those won't necessarily be fun folds, but they're going to be 6 more super adorable, if I say so myself, cards using Dino Days. Now, this isn't just for kids. I've been sending cards using this to my adult kids, and they love them. It's just adorable, and the words are great. So, and if you don't want to make a purchase with me, maybe you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, but you like the ideas or you want the fun fold ideas, you can also purchase the class, and the information will be on the website for that as well. So, without further ado, I want to flip the camera down, and I want to show you the 6 fun folds so you can kind of see what the class is all about this month. So, hold on one sec. Now, if you are new to my online stamping classes, like I said, they consist of 6 cards, but it's really 12 tutorials. So you get a PDF document that you can download. This one got quite big because I wanted to put in lots of pictures so you understood the fun folds. So there's going to be 6 projects that are fun folds. And remember, these can really be made with all different stamps and all different papers. So if you like the idea of the tutorial for the fun folds and you don't like the stamps, well, when you place your order, just order whatever you want. I don't care what it is, as long as it's a $50 order, and you'll get this for free. And then there'll also be 6 additional tutorials for super cute cards using these same products. You'll have 12 different ideas with the Dino Days, or however you want to like change them up with a different stamp set. So you also will get a video that will go through all 6 of the fun folds and show you how easy they are to cut and score and put together. So I love fun folds, and I know a lot of people do also. So here are the 6 fun fold cards, and I'm going to go through them just kind of quick. You can see how that one opens like so. This little guy pops open and open like that. Aren't they cute? I don't know, they make me smile. I'd love getting these cards. I guess I'm probably a kid at heart. So you can see how they all are cut and scored and folded a little bit differently. I thought this one was so cute. And then this is our final one. So those are the 6 fun folds that you'll learn how to make in the class. And then, like I said, they really would be able to make these ideas with any stamps, any papers. It's all about the fun fold ideas this month's class. Plus then 6 more projects just using these cute stamps. So once again, hop on over to the website. I have all the information over there, how you can get the class for free with an order. Remember, you have until the 10th, September 10th, to do that. Otherwise, the tutorial will be available over there for you to purchase as well, as if you just like the tutorial for these 6 plus the other 6. So it's 12 tutorials all together. Now, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here, because I do have a couple other Dino Days cards that I'm going to share with you during the time period of the 1st through the 10th that won't be part of the class, but I just want to share them with you anyways. So as always, if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way, make sure to leave me a comment here, email me, go to my blog, leave me a comment that way. I'm here to help you with all your stamping needs. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator already and you would like the brand new holiday catalog because it starts on September 4th, get a hold of me. I'd be happy to send you one. So until I stamp with you real soon, have a Stamp Happy Day.